Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
A boat-shaped planter looks fresh and unusual. It decorates a fence, saves space, and transforms a simple green area into a small seaside retreat. Vintage items look especially beautiful among greenery. A sewing machine like this one transforms the garden into a warmer, livelier, and more memorable space. A wicker border immediately adds rustic charm to the garden. It neatly separates the flower bed from the path, making even a narrow passageway feel warmer and more inviting. A great idea for a portable flower bed. Today it stands by the gazebo, tomorrow at the entrance, and it looks like a ready-made fairy tale scene. Don't throw away an old wheel. In the garden, it can become a beautiful base for a composition with flowers, stones, and natural wood chips. Sometimes the simplest material looks magical. A few wooden mushrooms transform an ordinary area by the wall into a cozy fairy tale composition. Even an old tree stump can be transformed into a focal point. Add a roof, door, small windows, and steps from wood cuts. This is a fun way to liven up a garden bed without expensive decor. All you need is old pots, wire, and a little imagination. This is a great idea for those who want to make a fence not just a border, but a part of the property's design. Various diameters of cuts bring the pattern to life. The key is to treat the wood so it withstands moisture longer. Old materials can look very beautiful. A window, brick, and wood transform an ordinary green space into a cozy garden nook with a vintage feel.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.